the magical cauldron. This is what you can drink while fasting. You make a tea with green tea, black tea, and I add eucalyptus, bay leaves, organic cinnamon stick, I break it in half, oregano, ginger, preferably real ginger, but I don't have fresh ginger, and cloves. Some of those things were gifted to Jesus by the wise men, because even 2023 years ago, they knew that these are vital herbs for antiviral, antibacterial, and mitochondrial health. These have polyphenols, including green tea too, that uncouple your mitochondria, help them survive, help them grow and replicate and multiply. So I pour the tea into the cup, add a little bit of filtered water, and drink it during the day. Of course, no artificial sweeteners, no stevia, no monkey fruit, nothing, because if anything tastes sweet, even though it has 0 calories, guess what? Your insulin goes up, you're going out of fasting. Please don't destroy the healing process of your body. I also recommend drinking water, mineral water, carbonated water, absolutely no soda of any kind. It's poison and it will get you out of fasting, whether it's diet or not diet. What else? Coffee, preferably no cream. If you really have to add something to your coffee, add some MCT oil, such as coconut oil. It contains that. That will help you stay in ketosis. And guys, we can do it. Also, I personally take a liquid refrigerated glutathione, and I even take C60 by Super Nutrition. This is olive oil based. It also helps body produce natural glutathione and other substances to help detox your body. As guess what? When the fat melts, you have so many toxins that are released into your urine, into your bloodstream, and you don't want to have your kidneys get damaged by being too overwhelmed. So please help your body detox. So sauna, swimming in the ocean, not in the swimming pool, because you don't want to retox, you want to detox. Chlorinated water in a swimming pool will retox you, okay? And you can die. Some people die just from swimming in a swimming pool if the chemicals are wrong there. So be healthy, and remember, in the United States, the healthcare is so messed up that the only hope is to take it into your own hands. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch my 61 benefits of fasting worth over $10 million. Share the knowledge and follow my fasting journey. Namaste. This was Anastasia for Light, and this is my 4th day of my fasting, semi-annual long-term fasting, and I'm still alive.